Hey guys, welcome to English Test World. Question 1. Is a place where you buy medicine? Bookstore, restaurant, or drugstore? The correct answer is drugstore. Question 2. Is an insect which makes honey? Bee, spider, or cat? Which one is correct? Bee is an insect which makes honey. Question 3. Are something which is used for cutting paper, leather, scissors, or sharpener? The correct answer is scissors. Question 4. A theater, a library, a gym is a place where you borrow books. A library is a place where you borrow books. Question 5. Which word means nearly the same as scream? Find, stop, or shout? The correct answer is shout. Question 6. Which word means nearly the same as happy? Conditions, content, or ambitious? The correct answer is content. Question 7. A soldier is man who paints picture, helps the police, fights in a war. A soldier is a man who fights in a war. Question 8. Which is countable? Fox, bread, or wood? Fox is countable. Question 9. Which verbs, past and present forms are the same? Play, cut, write. The correct answer is cut. Question 10. Your aunt is your father's brother, father's sister, mother's brother. Your aunt is your father's sister. Congratulations, the exam is over. Please comment your score for me. Thank you.